So for today, magluluto tayo ng fried chicken a la Maxis. So there are two ways of preparing fried chicken a la Maxis. Pwede nyong i-steam yung chicken or pwede nyo ring i-brine. For today's recipe, we will steam the chicken. I will add the complete brining recipe and the recipe that we'll do today at the end of the video for your reference. Here are the ingredients. I have a tiny vegetable garden, so most of these are fresh harvest. Lemongrass is not in season, so I had to go to the market. The first step is to pat it dry. If your chicken comes in plastic covering or in vacuum pack, you don't necessarily need to rinse it. Pag nabili nyo naman sa palengke, make sure to rinse it first before patting it dry. You can either use paper towel or pwede ring air dry na lang. The next step is to season the chicken with salt and pepper. I like to season my chicken generously. Okay, so yung next step is lalagyan na natin siya ng lemongrass and green onion sa loob. Make sure to pound the lemongrass first to get the juices out. Lemongrass can be overpowering, so if you don't like the taste of lemongrass, you can definitely skip this step. However, I think na ito yung ingredient that makes my Maxis copycat taste like the original. And then set the chicken aside and prepare to steam the chicken. Now let's place 4 to 5 cups of water in a steamer and add in our diced onions, black pepper, dried bay leaves, salt, parsley, and rosemary. Now you can also put the lemongrass in the steaming solution instead of stuffing it inside the chicken kung hindi nyo masyadong gusto yung lasa ng lemongrass. And then, let's bring this to boil. Now, carefully, let's put the chicken in the steamer and steam it for 30 to 45 minutes depending on the size of the chicken. Naalala nyo ba yung mga commercials ng Maxis noon? Grabe, di ba? Nakakatakam. I personally think that the steaming or the brining process makes the chicken sarap to the bones. Okay, so when the time is up, let's remove the chicken from the steamer and let's also remove the lemongrass and green onions from the chicken. Let it cool down. You can also put it in the fridge until you are ready to cook it. When you are ready to fry the chicken, just rub salt and pepper all over the steamed chicken, and in a deep fryer or pot, pour the cooking oil and wait until hot. Deep fry the chicken for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. And when the color turns golden brown, remove the chicken from the fryer and allow excess oil to drip. Can you hear the skin crackling? So the last step is to place it in a serving dish, serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce, share, and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and if you liked this recipe, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.